I'm not worried about having to go exactly on a particular frequency like 7234 exactly or something like that. I'm going to move up a little bit here, and I'm going to call CQ right here, and we'll see what happens. All right, I want to demonstrate one more thing here on methods to maximize HF phone contacts. I just did the tests on 10 meters where the band was really dead and developed some contacts. And I moved over to 40 meters, as you can see. And I want you to see on the scope here, there are not many signals, but there are some. So the theory that I use when the band is like this to get a contact is to call CQ right next to, but not too close to, a station that's fairly strong. Because if a station is strong coming into me, chances are I will be fairly strong out in about the distance or area that that station is in. So it's kind of a reciprocal way of doing this, all right? And there will be other people listening to strong signals, and they will tune up or down from that signal after a while if they get bored with the conversation or they want to make a contact themselves. So I'm going to find a spot right now to call CQ near another station. Let's see what happens here. I'm going up the band, you can see. Boy, it's dead. A lot of noise, too, from this solar flare. Got somebody here. Wow. 140. Okay. Nottingham, November, Oscar, Tango. So we've got one station here, and another one you can see just up the band from there. Let's go just up the band. So they're doing some traffic here. Let's move up the band a little bit. Where'd that other station go? He's gone already.
All I'm going to say is good luck mowing. It's a swamp.
Okay, so he was pretty strong. Ah, okay, this is good. We've got a couple of stations here. Yeah, so multiple stations, and they're relatively strong. So I'm going to move up the band a little from them on the assumption that there are other stations out there listening and moving up or down the band from them too. Okay, that's the idea. So I'm going to move up here a little bit, make sure I'm far enough away. Wow, he's got some problem there with his amp or something. He's splattering a bit. I'm not worried about having to go exactly on a particular frequency like 7234 exactly or something like that. I'm going to move up a little bit here, and I'm going to call CQ right here, and we'll see what happens. Calling CQ, 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 CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Calling CQ, 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 CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. This is Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. K8QS calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Calling CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. From Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. K8QS calling CQ and listening for a call. Give me another call, please. Okay, I got November 2. What's the rest of your call? Okay, N2 Bravo, Oscar Charlie from Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. Thanks for the call. I appreciate it. The band conditions are not good. We've got a solar flare and I'm not hearing many stations, but I do appreciate you coming back. My name is Quin. That's Q-U-I-N. Q-U-I-N. Quin. I'm in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids, Michigan. And again, my call is Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. How do you copy? N2BOC from K8QS. Over.
I think I'm on a lost frequency. I'm trying to find your frequency.
Okay, I'm trying to find you too here. I just tuned a little bit. Do you copy me now?
I do hear you at 22.9.
Okay, why don't you tune me in? Why don't you tune me in and to make sure we're on the same frequency? N2BOC, N2BOC from K8QS. Over.
I think I got you at 234.1 now.
Okay, that's close enough. That's close enough. I can tune you in too. N2BOC. This is Kilowatt 8 Queen Sugar. My name is Quin, 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 and I'm in Michigan. In Michigan, over.
That's 08 Queen Sugar, is that correct?
That, Roger, Roger.
Very good. The name here is 5 located in New York. Got about 5.5, a little bit of a low copy on the 8, so a little weak right now.
Roger, Bob. I appreciate your call back to me. Where are you located?
I'm in New York, about 75 miles north of New York City.
Okay, fine, Bob. Thanks so much. You're running about a 5x5 here in Michigan this afternoon. I'm running an IC 7300. My antenna is an off-center fed up about 60 feet. Go ahead.
Okay, I got the 710 with an OCF up around 40 feet. I wonder if you could do me a favor. I just got a new microphone here. Give me an idea what this one sounds like, and then, if you don't mind, I'm going to put another one on.
Yeah, I'd love to do it, Bob. Again, my name is Quin, Quin, Quebec, Uniform, Italy, Norway, Quin. And let's have you go back and forth between the two mics and see what they sound like. Go ahead.
Okay, Roger. This is the one that I'm checking out. I have no idea. I didn't change any EQ settings. I just unplugged one and plugged another one in.
Okay, do you want to go to the other one?
And here's the other mic. I have no idea what this one sounds like.
It sounds like you have a little more bass, and a little bit more clarity with this one. Talk a little bit more with this one, then go back to the first one.
Okay, this one here is a mic on a blue line. I wonder if I'm going to have to do a little producing with this one here.
Yeah, your signal's kind of low, and I've got a lot of noise today. But let's try it one more time. Do microphone 1 and then microphone 2, okay?
Roger that. I appreciate it, Quinn. This is microphone 1. N2BOC is looking for audio test. This is microphone 2. N2BOC.
Okay, now your signal went down a little bit when you said microphone 2, but my sense is that microphone 2 has a little more clarity to it. Go ahead. A little more bass and also a little more clarity.
Okay, right. Now that might be something I'm going to use the other mic to process the settings.
Yeah, let me see if we can get another station in here to give you a report on the two mics. Anybody else around? This is Kilo 8 Queen Sugar. Boy, the noise on the band is just terrible. I hope that helps a bit, Bob. If you were stronger, I could give you a more definitive comparison between the two. But we're just not making it today given the conditions. So 73, good to talk to you, my friend. N2BOC, north of New York City, from Kilo 8, Queen Sugar, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Signing off after your final.
I definitely appreciate it, and I appreciate you helping me out there. It sounded like it's a little bit up and down. So thank you for your help, and hopefully something soon. Queen Sugar, 11th Street, Bravo, Washington. 7-3, and thank you.
Yeah, 7-3, Bob. Anybody else around K8QS? So that was kind of unexpected, right? He came back, wanted to report on the audio. Unfortunately, given the conditions, I couldn't give him a super duper report, but it did sound to me like the one mic had a little more clarity, a few more lows from best I could tell through the noise. But I was cautious with him. There's a tendency that we all have to give people really good reports because we don't want to disappoint them if they ask us how the audio sounds or something. And so the best audio reports are those that we don't ask for, but that people simply mentioned. So another test, trying to make a QSO on with very bad band conditions by calling CQ right next to a fairly strong station to see how that would work.